Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate glaze for donuts. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of milk. For extra flavor and richness, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Having all ingredients at room temperature will help achieve a perfectly smooth glaze. Now, let's mix our glaze. Start by sifting the powdered sugar and cocoa powder into a medium-sized bowl. This step prevents lumps and ensures a silky texture. Next, gradually whisk in the milk, vanilla extract, and melted butter. Continue mixing until the glaze is completely smooth and free of any dry spots. If it's too thick, add a few drops more milk. If too thin, add a little more powdered sugar. With your glaze ready, it's time to coat those delicious donuts. For best results, dip warm donuts into the chocolate glaze. This helps the glaze adhere beautifully. Gently submerge one side of the donut, then lift it, allowing any excess glaze to drip back into the bowl. Place the glazed donuts on a wire rack set over parchment paper to catch any drips. Let them set for 15 to 20 minutes before enjoying. To store any leftover chocolate glaze, simply transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 3 days. If the glaze thickens too much in the fridge, you can gently reheat it in the microwave for a few seconds or over a double boiler until it reaches your desired consistency. This easy chocolate glaze is perfect for homemade donuts, pastries, or even as a dip for fruit. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.